Just wanted to give a shout out to the new subscribers, as I like to do from time to time. I'll put them up on the screen here. And you guys are awesome. You guys are the reason we do it. So thanks for being here. It's amazing. Look at this ride. Unbelievable. What an absolutely gorgeous drive. See, this is why I love driving. It's for moments like this. Who's with me? Who loves a good ride? Look at that food there.
Don't knock my stuff over. Dinner in the office. I look really tired, probably because I am. I've had a few snacky type things, but this is the first like solid meal I've had today. I'm trying to create. I have rollers in my hair.
You're just working yourself to the bone for everybody out there, but you know how much they love and enjoy it, so you just keep going. It's an addicting lifestyle.
Hey y'all, I gotta show you something. Hold on.
Oh boy, here we go again. 31,000 followers. What the heck is going on here?
And 119,000 likes on the profile. Look at this. Look at this. That video got 294,000 views.
Holy crap. That's the one in the last video you did the sneak peek on?
Yeah, that one.
That thing went viral.
65.5 thousand likes.
Holy smokes.
588 comments.
Well, they need to follow you on there too. I know YouTube is the bomb, but geez, this is blowing up too.
If you got TikTok, go look me up. It's just at Tori Brivey.
Well,
no
that's
spaces.
pretty easy, yeah.
If you can't see in my drafts here, I got some that I've started with this look, and then I'll finish with the wham bam thank you ma'am look.
Sweet. I love it. I love it. Well, what are you doing today? You're going live again?
I'm going live. I'm gonna just do my base face, and then I'm gonna finish up by like finishing the look with like some TikTok videos. So
awesome. Sounds good. Well, can't wait to see how it turns out. We'll do that GoPro again. That was a lot of fun in fast motion.
Oh, P.S. Drop some comments if you guys are interested in learning how to do these like makeup transition TikToks, because that's a video that we could definitely do. Like I could kind of teach you guys how I do it. I'm not saying I do it the complete right way, but I can show you how I do it. Yeah. So if you want to know how, drop some comments, let me know.
Sounds good. What products are you using today?
I want a full coverage look because it's going to be like, the finished look will be like a, you know, I like doing all the real bright colored eyes. I did like a purple smoky eye, a blue smoky eye. Now I'm trying to think of a Valentine's Day look that I can do, but kind of a more dramatic one. So we'll see.
All right. Well, we'll see you on Facebook. Or in this case, after the video for a follow-up. Good luck. You'll do great. coming in. What's Mommy got? Coffee right there. Food, the breakfast. Here we are, Asher Man checking in. How did Mom do? Good? She do good on the live? What'd you think?
He's interviewing me before I've even got my second cup of coffee down, and I'm not a morning person.
Well, that's just because we didn't film it the day of, so we're a little bit delayed here, but we're still catching up.
We didn't film it after because I ran real late, and Wednesday nights, it was on a Wednesday that I did that live, and Wednesday nights we do our team Zoom calls, and I had to like book it, get off the live, and hurry up and jump on the Zoom call, so that's why we didn't get the after.
That makes sense, actually. Well, that and lives tend to go longer than expected sometimes.
Most times with
well,
me.
It's just good interaction. People asking a lot of good questions.
That chatterbox. We started talking about wine.
Oh, did you really? Oh, fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, wine helps.
And then someone referred me to someone that sells clean wine. I don't know. I'll let you know. I'll look into it. Like less sugars and all this stuff. And not supposed to give you headaches, because I was talking about how wine gives me headaches from all the sugars.
Awesome.
So we'll see.
Yeah, cool. Well, make sure they check you out on Facebook. Make sure they subscribe to the channel here. You got another live coming up today for Valentine's Day, right?
Yep.
Well, they'll have to stay tuned because I'll introduce that one in the next one.
Stay tuned.
Sounds
Valentine's
good.
Day live.
Yep.
You're live.
Sweet. Sounds good. Can't wait to see it.
Bye, guys.
See you guys on the flip side.